Hey gang, welcome back. So in our previous videos we talked about installing the aftermarket seats in the C5, right? And I showed you some videos on how to do that briefly. But I wanted to show you that you can indeed put power to aftermarket seats with the C5 with some fabrication. Case in point, this is the passenger seat here. And yeah, look, here it is. She's moving. I'll give you a better video of this. Yeah, there she is. She does move. It's not great, but we're going to take this out because I don't really care for it. It mounts the seat up a little higher, and the positioning of the seat needs to be altered just a little bit so it fits inside the floorboard here correctly. And plus it's not really very stable because of the way it's installed. But anyway, and plus I need to route the seat belt through its harness, so we need to get that squared away as well. So yeah, I'll pull it out. I'll show you guys what I did so you can see it. If you want to take it upon yourself to try to fabricate something, be my guest. If not, then use the manual rails. Okay, I'll be right back.